Hi friends, I'm glad you're back so that we can have this very hydrating practice. It poured here last night, so the earth was drenched, the water is flowing, and I thought it was perfect opportunity for a short practice of twist, detoxify, cleanse, and rehydrate. So find your comfortable seat. And as you do, allow all the parts of the body that are connected to the earth element beneath you to bring the sensations of grounded, supported, nourished, nurtured, and hydrated. Bring our hands to heart center and allow the head to gently bow. We take this moment to set an intention, perhaps asking, what is my heart's truest desire? And allow that answer to bloom into your intention. And together, we'll unite our community and open our practice by sharing the vibration of Om. Preparing with a deep inhalation. And as we release the hands from the heart, begin with 3 cleansing and releasing breaths. Inhale deeply and sigh it out. As you inhale, feel the lungs open, expand, and accept the breath. And sigh it out. One more deep inhalation. And a releasing exhalation. As we begin our practice, find an upright spine, allowing the whole front of the torso to lift toward the sky. The shoulders will come closer to the spine and down to the earth so that we have this co-balancing energy of the front and back bodies. The front body ascends, the back body descends, and together they help us with effortless upright posture. Allowing the arms to come out to the side, rotating the palms to the sky. And as we begin our inhale, reach out as far as you can. And as the arms come to shoulder height, allow the shoulder blades to descend toward the earth. Exhale and return them to your sides 2 more times. Inhale and rise up, reaching and feeling this arc of movement. Exhale, letting go, release, and let go. Inhale and rise up. gathering up all of the energy that surrounds you, everything positive. Exhale, surrender, let go of anything that no longer serves. We'll begin our cleansing practice as we inhale and rise up. And as the fingertips touch, exhale, twisting to the left, the right hand resting in the front, left hand wherever it finds its home behind you. And depending on the amount of twist, the right hand will rest on one of those legs, your choice. With nice, mindful body awareness movements, inhale and rise up. Fingers touch, exhale, twisting to the right. We're going to continue to play with these seated twists throughout this practice. As we inhale back through center, exhaling to the left. And these twists begin to compress the organs. Compress and detoxify. So we hold the shape, giving the body its opportunity to release and let go of anything that's stagnant, anything that's stuck. With your next inhale, come back to this beautiful arc of movement, wherever the arms can reach. Exhale, left hand to the right knee, right hand rests behind. So we twist, detoxify, cleanse, and rehydrate. Inhale back through center. Exhale to that left side, the yin female energy. Notice what your eyes rested on, where the gaze stopped, what you chose to look at. Here in this left twist is our creative energy. Things that are in the shadows. Those parts of our personality and the world around us that we have to stop. Pause in stillness to notice. Inhale back through center. Exhale, right hand to the right knee. Left hand to the right knee. Our twist to the right. This is our yang side. That male energy. All that's active. All that is right in the forefront. Notice what you noticed. Where did the eyes stop? What do you see? The eyes chose to gaze for a reason. This is what's obvious. In our view, linear, a scientific thought. Inhale back through center. And as you come through center, interlace those fingers. Turn the palms to the sky and reach as the palms address the trees above. That air element, the shoulder blades descend toward the earth. Take a nice deep inhale. And as you exhale, release the fingers and bring those hands back to heart center. And as they rest, allow the head to gently bow. And in this moment, let's recall a gratitude. What is it that lights you up? What are you grateful for? Who are you grateful for? Allow your intention to come back into your sensations, into the forefront of your thoughts, your vision, the things you hear. Allow all of the senses to spend a moment exploring that intention. Together, let's keep our community united and close our practice by once again sharing that vibration of Om. Inhaling deeply. May all thoughts be divinely inspired. May all words be authentic and true. May all hearts be touched with love and joy. And may the time that we devote to our practice of compassion bring peace to all beings. Thank you for practicing with me. Om Shanti. Namaste. I look forward to seeing you in our next practice. Have a fabulous day.